Hi guys, welcome back to another video on Honest Chain. We are back again with some amazing news, but before we start, as always, remember that I'm not a financial advisor and that I don't take any responsibility for your actions. Have that in mind and let us begin. Currently, less than 2,000 millionaires or wallets with 1 million USD worth of Bitcoin are created daily. That's significantly lower than the 2021 bull run. Wallet data tracked by Kaiko shows slower growth in the on-chain Bitcoin whales or millionaires. The slower growth rate indicates several things, including profit-taking by investors. The ongoing Bitcoin bull run is characterized by Wall Street's embrace of the long-awaited spot exchange traded funds, so the ETFs. Still, the rally is producing millionaires, however, at a slower rate than in the 2021 uptrend. The leading cryptocurrency market value has risen 70% this year, setting new record heights above 72,000 USD, and the rally follows the past year's 155% surge from the depths of a brutal bear market. According to data tracked by Paris-based Kaiko, less than 2,000 millionaires or wallets with 1 million USD worth of Bitcoin are created daily, and that's significantly lower than the last bull run, which spread over 4,000 millionaire wallets per day and over 2,000 wallets with a 10 million USD balance per day. The slower pace might mean the bull run is still in the early stages and the pace of inflows is yet to peak. The conclusion is consistent with market consensus that prices could rise to even 150 USD and the higher the coming months due to continued inflows into the spot ETFs and the impending halving induced supply reduction. This slower growth rate of millionaires could be due to a few things. First one would be the new capital has yet arrived in full force, then the large whales are taking profit at BTC hits new highs, and whales are storing their holdings with custodians rather than personal wallets, Kaiko said in the weekly newsletter. Recently, the gap between liquidity on the ask and bid sides of the order book within 2% of the market price has widened to nearly 5 times as usual, hinting at build-up of limit orders on the sell side, a sign of investors looking to take profit near record heights. Bitcoin buying advised as US interest diluting the treasury phase. Amid rising national debt levels in the United States, influencers on X say Bitcoin is the only realistic solution to sidestep inflation. Two crypto influencers on X have called on their followers to snap up Bitcoin, gold and silver, citing the risk of rising national debt in the United States. In an X post on March 11th, an entrepreneur and angel investor Balaji Srivasan argued that Bitcoin is the only realistic solution to escape the inevitably unsustainable government spending and potential asset confiscation. We are in the looting the treasury phase of imperial collapse, the former Coinbase chief technology officer told his 994,000 followers. Srinivasan argued that government debt and wasteful spending continue to grow rapidly and sustainable levels. US national debt is currently at a record high of 34.5 trillion USD, increasing by 25% since 2020. Srivasan, a general partner at the Andreessen Horowitz, said there are 4 approaches to the problem: deny what is happening, fix it through political processes, giving up, and simply feed yourself at the truth, or starve to the beast with Bitcoin, which is money they can't easily seize or print. The last is radical but actually realistic, he said, adding the government deficits are now at 10 billion USD per day and growing. Rich Dad, Poor Dad author Robert Kiyosaki also advised being prepared and investing in store of value assets such as Bitcoin in March 11 post. Debt increasing by 1 trillion USD every 90 days. America is sick. Prepare now, buy more gold, silver, Bitcoin, please take care. Meanwhile, Srinivasan also warned that if financial reckoning approaches, the revenue state may consider confiscated private assets. Srinivasan offered a handful of examples such as seizing of assets from protesting Canadian trackers, freezing Russian assets, and the weaponization of Delaware against Elon Musk and New York against Donald Trump. Private property will not be protected by the state in a bankrupt blue America, he said, before adding, fortunately we have Bitcoin which isn't dependent on the state and can easily be seized. Let's move on to the next news that is about XRP, so Ripple. It jumps over 20% after mysterious Binance transfers and crypto rally expands to laggards. The action could be a sign of traders rotating some of the capital to tokens that haven't moved yet. Ripple, so XRP, is the native cryptocurrency of the XRP ledger payment network developed by Ripple Labs, advanced over 20% Monday, snapping its downtrend versus Bitcoin as the crypto rally broadened. Coindex data shows that XRP sharply jumped to 0.74 USD in a little more than an hour Monday afternoon UTC time, notching its highest price since a very short-lived spike last November amid speculation about potential BlackRock-managed XRP ETFs and today's 20% gain made XRP the best performing asset in the broad market CoinDex 20 index, which has higher by 5%. While Bitcoin had already broken record heights and some corners of the crypto space such as meme coins and artificial intelligence tokens experienced exorbitant gains, XRP has so far been notably absent from the action when measured against Bitcoin. XRP prior to today's move had slid to a 3-year low. TradingView data shows even with this afternoon big jumps, XRP is now only up to 70% year to date, substantially underperforming BTC's 64% advance and the broad market CoinDex 20 index by a 54% gain. Alright guys, that's all for now. Remember to check out our Telegram channel to stay up to date with all the news, and stay tuned for the new video on Amidst Chain. It will be out probably tomorrow or in 2 days. All the links you will need to join our Telegram you will find in the video description as always. Stay tuned for the next videos, and till next time. Bye.